One loyal dog ran for help, but no one lived close enough to hear him. Their warmth kept her alive until she found enough strength to rise again. Their warmth kept her alive until she found enough strength to rise again. Every evening, the same 4 dogs guide her safely back through the whiteout. But the place she calls home can no longer protect any of them. She gives them the last food, then pretends she is not hungry. Her own supper is a little milk and soup almost as clear as water.
That night,
Her dog heard the roof breaking before she ever did.
at dawn, one dog stopped a passing rancher and led him straight to her.
What he found was too dangerous to ignore, so he sent one urgent message. Hours later, the sound her dogs heard was not another storm, it was help. Before the next blizzard, we will build a safe home for her entire family. After years of hardship, today she is finally walking toward a home built for safety, warmth, and dignity. This key is more than metal. It is a promise that tonight she will finally sleep without fear.
A warm room,
A safe fire, and a peaceful place to begin again. Here, rest no longer means enduring the cold. It means comfort, peace, and a completely new beginning. A safe bathroom restores more than comfort. It returns privacy, independence, and dignity to her everyday life. You have carried enough alone. From today, this home is yours, and you are never forgotten. A home cannot erase every hardship, but it can give someone the strength and safety to begin again. This video tells a fictional AI-created story about rebuilding a safe home. It is for people facing difficult living conditions. All characters, locations, images, and construction scenes were created with AI and edited into one complete fictional story. This story shows no real people or events, and it is not a fundraising, donation, or financial support campaign.